What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Yesterday, while me and Rodrigo were framing that little wall, the guys were here and they framed all the walls in this room, or in this addition, and got pretty much everything done that they needed to. All the walls are up. Stairwell opening is framed in, and the trusses got delivered at 7 a.m. this morning. So we are moving right along here. They're just getting the end one set with the soffit on it. We do the soffit first because it's much easier to do it now while it's on the ground than while it's up on the house. But once they are ready, we're gonna grab the forklift and send it up here and get all these trusses set today.
Let's go.
Alright guys, so we got all the trusses set. Well, not completely set. We have a couple right here strapped to the last one that we have set that we just need to slide over. We got them all up here and the guys just hopped down. My uncle is pulling in with lunch as we speak, but I wanted to use some peace and quiet time to show you guys all this. But all these trusses are set all the way out to the end. This one is sheathed and it has the soffit framed on there. So we are moving right along. This section here is spaced a little bit wider for an attic stairwell. I don't know exactly where it is. I'm assuming it's going to be right in here because you have a doorway into the master here. So it would probably be right in this section. The attic stairs will probably be right here, pull down staircase to get you up in there. But we're moving right along. I'm about to go down and eat some lunch and then we'll get back to work. right guys, we got the whole roof sheathed. We have a couple small pieces over there to finish. This whole side is completely done, all nailed off. And over here we just have a couple small pieces here to do. So we made very good progress today getting all of this done, all the trusses in and all the plywood on. Luckily we have no rain tonight. We don't have rain for the next, looks like 3 or 4 days, so we don't have anything to worry about here. But we do have to get this side finished up tomorrow. I think we are ripping off that lower roof and getting the trusses set for down there. That's what the rest of them on the ground are for. So that whole roof down there is coming off. Obviously we'll have to do something with the little chimney there, but we're in good shape here. I think that is going to wrap it up for this one. We were just getting cleaned up and then we were going to get out of here. It is about 6 o'clock, so this beautiful weather is amazing. We get to work late and get more done in a day. So that is pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.